Hello, welcome to XZERES Wind Corp. I am Frank Greco, CEO. XZERES is a leading designer, developer, manufacturer, and marketer of distributed generation wind power systems for the small wind market, meaning we are focused on systems from 2.5 up to 100 kilowatts. Our grid-connected and off-grid wind turbine systems, which currently consist of our 2.5 and 10 kilowatt devices, are deployed for electrical power generation for multiple applications and markets, such as residential, microgrid-based rural electrification, agricultural, small business, telecommunication systems, as well as a variety of other private and corporate infrastructure and government applications, just to name a few. Our wind systems are focused on distributed generation, where the wind turbine system's energy output is used on-site without the need for expensive transmission infrastructures. We also possess an industry-disruptive sales and business model, which is not typical of the small wind industry. Our management team, top of their game professionals from Fortune 100 and 500 companies. I joined XZERES as CEO with over 30 years in leadership roles in manufacturing, strategic planning, and startups, which resulted in driving rapid sales, improved productivity, efficiency, and profitability. I'm a small wind industry veteran and led the growth of the industry's most successful small wind company. I also bring to XZERES numerous global sales and supplier channel relationships. The entire management team focused on the continuous development of new business models and industry innovations. We are focused on global growth and shareholder value creation. The market for wind power in the U.S. has expanded at a compound average growth rate of 34.5% annually for the past 9 years. It has become one of the most rapidly growing means of alternative electric generation, but only amounts to less than 4% of the U.S. energy demand, providing for substantial potential well into the future. International markets have and continue to experience similar growth potential, and in some cases, they have already exceeded the growth that we have seen here domestically. XZERES Wind Corp has positioned itself to be a dominant force in this available and growing market through its product technology and game-changing market strategy. The company's technology mission is to develop and deliver the highest performing small wind systems in the market. Our current products do outperform the competition by producing more energy than comparable wind turbine systems. We accomplish this by employing proprietary technology inclusive of breakthroughs in software, power electronics, alternator efficiency, blade design, and reliability. The result being an industry leader with the lowest cost of energy and the highest modified internal rate of return. Our products have been commercialized to meet global certifications so that we are able to sell our systems internationally. Additionally, we are actively developing larger size systems which fill the market void above 10 kilowatts. Our growth rate is currently only limited by the size of our sales force. To capture this opportunity, we have deployed on two fronts: channel expansion and economic methods of growing our sales force. XZERES has a significant number of renewable energy dealers who distribute and install our systems, which is the typical standard for our industry. But XZERES has expanded beyond this norm and deployed a sell direct to end users campaign, offering services from initial site assessment to financing, permit application, installation, and commissioning, creating a complete solution for our customers. This has not only led to greater customer satisfaction, but provided XZERES with higher margins. We have also successfully embarked on enterprise multi-unit sales through national and international firms selling collateral products which are complementary to the offering of small wind power system and allow us to leverage the marketing efforts of well-established large entities. In support of these channels, we have successfully deployed and launched the most advanced online site and financial assessment tool available in the industry today. Within minutes, this tool can effectively perform a qualified site assessment, produce a business case supporting viable candidates, all of which properly set customer expectations and provide for high-level qualified leads with high closure rates. We have further enhanced this by being able to provide competitive financing alternatives through financial lending partners exclusive to XZERES-based equipment, direct to the end users, thereby eliminating the large upfront out-of-pocket expense with a financeable structure which pays for the system while it generates monthly utility bill savings. Most recently, we launched a micro-generation utility model. This was designed to eliminate the upfront capital costs and other operational barriers associated with installing distributed renewable energy systems. This innovative business model, where XZERES serves as an energy provider much like a utility, offers residential and commercial customers a hedge against volatile electric rates for 20+ years and provides XZERES with a long-term, high-margin recurring revenue stream. In less than 1 month of launching this innovative business model, we have successfully closed deals in excess of $1 million in wind turbine systems. To support our growth gains and market potential, we have also created an economic model for deploying sales professionals globally, which is comprised of direct salary employees in key locations supported by employee and independent contractor-based commission-only sales. These activities are supported by a professionally developed computer-based sales training program, an on-site pay-for seminar, and a computer-based installation training program. In the past 6 months, since receiving its first capital investment, XZERES has prudently used this to develop its core infrastructure, embark on its technology development, and break the paradigms of the small wind marketing and sales models that I described earlier. The business has already grown with a high degree of rapidity, and most recently, we announced a 30+% gain in revenues in our most recent quarter ending November 30th, 2010. And management has no reason to believe that it won't continue to show significant continued traction and growth in the coming year. Additionally, we have successfully established a European subsidiary to actively leverage the lucrative UK and European market. We have also extended our global reach into Asia and are actively participating in the initial stages of a microgrid electrification project. In summary, XZERES has assembled an extremely capable and forward-thinking management team which is focused on creating innovative business models that provide high-margin, long-term recurring revenues and a diversified product portfolio strategy. This has positioned the company to address a multi-billion-dollar global market opportunity with the core company objective of creating shareholder value. Thank you for your interest in XZERES Wind Corp.